In this video, you will learn how to add polynomials. Adding polynomials is the same thing as just adding like terms. Okay, so what's the like term? Well, like terms have the exact same variable raised to the exact same power. Here's an example. 5x squared is like terms with negative 11x squared. Both of those have an x, and both of those x's are raised to the same power of 2. Negative 3y to the fourth is like terms with 7y to the fourth, again, because they have the same variable raised to the exact same power of 4. Here's an example of something that is not like terms. X to the power of fourth is not the same as x squared. Although they are the same variable, they do not have the same power. Alrighty, to add like terms, you just add the coefficients. In this case, the 5 and the negative 11. So what is 5 plus negative 11? Negative 6. Therefore, 5x squared plus negative 11x squared is negative 6x squared. It's that simple. Okay, let's do something bigger. I have a binomial added to a trinomial. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for like terms, but I also want to put it in standard form. So I'm going to always start with the highest degree term. In this case, it would be the a to the power of 3. So what is negative 5 plus 6? Positive 1, a to the 3. I'm not even going to put that positive 1 because we don't need to show that. And then my strategy is I will cross those out so that I don't look at them anymore. The next group is the a squareds. Remember, we're going to include the sign in front of the number. That'll tell us whether it's positive or negative. So I have negative 2 plus a 9. That is a positive 7, a squared. And then finally, I just have this lone guy by himself, so I'm going to tack him on the end, and there we go. That's the answer. Try this on your own, pause the video, and then come back when you're done. Alrighty, here we go. We have the y squareds, and so that would be 13y squared. And then I have the y's. Negative 2y plus negative 7y is negative 9y. And then finally, my 4. That's it. That's pretty easy, right? When you look at this, what might be difficult? Well, just that they're not both in standard form. So I'm going to teach you another way to add, and you can decide which way you want. I'm going to do what's called stack and add. So I'm going to find the first one. I'm going to find it. I'm going to put it in standard form. Minus 6x squared. I'm going to leave a space for the x because it's not there, and then plus 5. Then I'm going to take the second one. I'm going to do the exact same thing, and I'm going to line up like terms. So I don't have any x to the power of 3 in that one, but I do have an x squared. I do have a 3x. What's the sign for that? Positive. And then plus 6. And then I'm just going to add 4x to the power of 3. A negative 6 plus a negative 3 is a negative 9. Then the 3x just comes down. It doesn't have anybody he's adding to. And the 5 plus a 6 is 11. And there you go. I'm done. I think you're ready. Go and have some fun.